Hi and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of the Dork Diaries series called The Pop Star. The cover page of the book is very nice and creative. It's one of the things that makes me want to read the book. This is the back of the book and this is where the summary comes in. Now I'm going to be showing you some of the best parts in the book. Now let's move on to the first best part. The first best part starts from page 10 where Nikki goes to the mall to hang out with her best friends Chloe and Zoe, but she had to take care of her dramatic sister Brianna. When she was at the mall, Brianna told Nikki that she wanted to go to her favorite pizza joint, Queasy Cheesy. When Nikki's eyes were off, she jumped in the fountain and collected a ton of coins. Then Nikki realized that it was enough to buy a few things, so they went straight ahead. When the waitress pulled out a chit from a bowl and announced that table number 7 were the Lucky Ducks and get to sing the Queasy Cheesy theme song, Nikki didn't want it to do that because it would have been embarrassing. So she told the waitress, and Brianna got an attitude all about that and threw a hissy fit that she wasn't going to pay. And all Nikki had was 39 cents in her pocket. Oh, and some lint. She was more embarrassed. She thought that there was no one from her class, so she really enjoyed it. Until Mackenzie showed up and recorded it. Then she got a bit scared. Now, let's move on to the second best part. This part is related to the first, it's just that I skipped some of the parts in the middle. So in this, Nikki checks if the video Mackenzie recorded was posted on YouTube. She checked on 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 8 p.m. She saw nothing. She was sure that it was a prank. She decided to check one last time at 9 p.m. and she found the video. She was completely devastated that she found the video. And she was also screaming in her pillow. Now, let's go on to the third best part. Nikki wanted to improve her grades, so she knew she had to answer most of the questions that the teacher asked. So in this, the teacher asks, is it really warm and stuffy in the classroom or is it just me? She knew the answer. Well, it wasn't a question to answer, but still. The teacher completely ignored her, and the person on the back is like, what is she trying to do? In the next question, it's some kind of social science one, and she didn't know it, but the teacher picked her anyways. Now this is going to be the last best part I'm going to be showing you guys. Nikki's mom told Nikki instructions to not let Brianna leave the dinner table until she finished her broccoli. Nikki went to keep her dishes in the dishwasher. When she came back, Brianna's plate was empty. Nikki was surprised. For some reason, she checked her mouth, or Mrs. Penelope's mouth, to check if she stashed her broccoli in there. But she did not. She gave her a big hug and tucked her into bed. She was just smiling. When Nikki went to feed her dad's fish, she saw some kind of green stuff. What she thought first was algae, but the more closer she looks, then she found out it was chewed up broccoli. She was mad and said very loudly, Brianna, you spat broccoli in the fish tank? Get down here and clean up this mess right this minute. She knew Brianna was pretending to be asleep, so she was the one cleaning up. Next is what I think is the main part of the story. In this, there was the talent show rehearsal at WCD High School Auditorium. So everyone was getting ready. The high school student producer of the show was Sasha Ambrose. Suddenly, she sees Mackenzie whispering to Sasha and pointing at her. Meanwhile, all the talent gathered in the auditorium for Sasha to assign the dressing rooms. She called all the 18 acts except Dorkalicious, which was Nikki's band name. Everyone went backstage except Nikki's group. They were all concerned why didn't she call them. Sasha asked them that what was their band's name. They all said Dorkalicious. Sasha said that the deadline for entry forms was Friday 22nd and failure to send a completed form will result in disqualification from the show. Nikki didn't have any idea why she was telling this because Nikki had personally completed the form in school office and submitted before the deadline. Sasha said that it was submitted on time, just that it's incomplete. Sasha gave the form to them and they found out that Nikki wrote, "Actually, I'm not really sure yet," instead of Dorkalicious. Nikki kept on apologizing. Everyone gave a small smile. Theodore, a band member, said that there's no way we are getting backstage, and they decided to go get some pizza. Everyone started to cheer up. Nikki didn't want it to come. Everyone was trying to cheer her up, but she still didn't go. She found a payphone and called a ride home. That was an only chance for Nikki staying at WCD. After she buried her face in her knees and cried. She heard footsteps coming. It was Mackenzie, and she was making fun of her and making her feel worse. Then she finally turned around and went. Then Nikki's mom came and took her home. She cried even more. She slept and woke up almost noon. Brianna and Miss Penelope usually wake her up, but this time her grandma came in too. She wanted to jump out of the window, but she just got up. Then Nikki's grandma found a piece of paper. She thought it was litter, but then Nikki realized that it was the entry form for the competition. Her grandma asked that, "Should I just throw it away?" Nikki said that it was okay to toss it, but then her grandma noticed that it was the entry form and said, "The name of your band is actually I'm not really sure yet." Then Nikki got an idea that the name of her band could be that. So then she called her friends, they made updates to their t-shirts and gave the news to Sasha. But Mackenzie came in and complained before coming into the point. Mackenzie was still in the mood like that, but Nikki went anyway, and Sasha let them in. They all went backstage and Mackenzie's group was performing. Since their band was added last, they were going last. Then the announcer introduced them and Nikki was really nervous and her stomach started doing somersaults. They called them up and the people really liked them, so they did their performance and enjoyed. This is the end of the video, and now you guys know how is the Dork Diaries Popstar series like. So see you guys next time. Bye!